up? I'm Saiasmi Gupta and I'm 9 years old and the co-founder of filmstorykids.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you're not done yet. You guys are very cheeky peeky bunnies, right? You must have seen the title. Like that, of course, everybody sees the title, right? Before playing it. So, you must have got to know that I'm going to play piano and I'm going to play Raghupati Raghav. But I'm a very cheeky bunny as well. I didn't mention one thing in the title. So, before ending the video, I will give you that surprise. So, do watch my video till the end. So, let's start. So first, I'll just play normal, wish me luck that I don't do any mistakes. Then, I will sing with it. 3, 2, 1, and go! Right? So I didn't make any mistakes. Thank you everybody and I hope you liked it. So now let's go for the fun and the pro part. So now I'm gonna sing with it. Right? Wish me luck once again. 3, 2, 1 and go. Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram Padita Pavana Sitaram 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 Bhaja Pyare Tu Sitaram 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 Bhaja Pyare Tu Sitaram Ishwara Allah Tero Naam Sabko Sannati De Bhagwan Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram Padita Pavana Sitaram. Yay! So I had done this also without making a mistake. So I really liked it, and before I give you a surprise, if hopefully you are learning from me and seeing my videos and subscribing my channel and doing all that. If you're learning piano, right, which I just started, I just taught you everything. So you must like I'm also, if I learn from somebody, I would like that I would have the same thing as my teacher, so that I can do step by step thing, everything what she does, like exact same thing, right? So I'll just show you how my piano look. Oh, it's kind of very heavy and it's kind of very big. Oh my god. Yeah. So this is this is from my Yamaha. This is from Yamaha, and look at this. It is a very big piano. It will take me only 5 minutes if I start counting. And if I'll just show you, we can make loads of tunes without playing it. I'll just show you one. It will be a bit noisy, but you'll like it. Once. Let's start from here. 3, 2, 1. Now I'll change it. So you saw that how it was changing it, right? So I changed it. So this is how you can change it. And I like literally didn't play any of the keys. I was like playing, oh my god, I was playing these keys over here, right? So you can ask me for a video on any of my piano video. You can comment it if you want to learn how to make these keys, how to make the tune and everything about this piano, right? And now it's time for the surprise. Now I will be playing Raghupati Raghav, but as I showed you the tune, I'm gonna play Raghupati Raghav in the ghost tune. Like I'll just switch it on. Wait. Stay still. Stay on your seat. This is gonna be exciting and also scary. I'll just play a key, okay? Did you saw like do like that? I'll play another one. Right? So let's try playing it Raghupati Raghav. Right? That's gonna be cool. This is scaring me. Oh my god. Okay, so before I end the video, I just want to play one more tune which I really liked it. I made it on my own on this piano thingy only, and it's the tune which I'll just show you. I just want to play it, the main parts of it. Stay still. I'm not gonna play the ghost tune. It was so scary. It was scaring me too. Calm down. Say the words of God. Oh my god. Okay, so I'll just play bit parts of it. Wait. Which one? Yeah, let's go for gear 5. I've changed. Let's do the tempo high. Did you see that? That was cool. So you can tell me in the comments below. Maybe they are disabled. Well, I'll enable them. But still, I will make a video on this all the tuning stuff, right? So guys, I hope you like the video. If you did, smash that like button and bell. See you all next time. Goodbye. Stay safe and keep watching my videos. Damn. Oh, sorry. Damn. 3, 2, 1, and